What if I told you that some of the biggest tech companies in the world, Google, Oracle, Salesforce, didn't just grow organically, they exploded through strategic acquisitions? And that one little-known strategy, called bolt-on acquisitions, can turn a $10 million company into a $100 million powerhouse faster than any marketing campaign or product launch ever could. Today, we break down how it works and why it's the ultimate shortcut to growth. We're going to show you how bolt-on acquisitions work, why they're often faster and cheaper than organic growth, and the exact strategies companies like Oracle, Salesforce, and Google use to dominate markets. First, let's define the strategy. A bolt-on acquisition is when a company buys a smaller business that complements its existing operations. Unlike a full merger or diversification play, bolt-ons are designed to enhance existing capabilities, expand market reach, and capture revenue faster. Here's why it works. You acquire customers, revenue, and talent in a single deal. Integration leverages existing infrastructure, reducing costs. You get competitive advantages without starting from scratch. Oracle is a master of bolt-on acquisitions. Let's rewind to the early 2000s. Oracle wanted to dominate enterprise software, but competitors like SAP and Microsoft were already entrenched. Instead of building every solution in-house, Oracle went on an acquisition spree. PeopleSoft in 2005 instantly expanded Oracle's HR software offerings. Siebel Systems in 2006 gave Oracle CRM capabilities. NetSuite in 2016 extended Oracle into cloud ERP. Each acquisition was strategic, not opportunistic. Oracle didn't just buy companies to remove competitors, it bolted them onto its existing platform, creating a network effect. More customers, more products, more integration. Salesforce took bolt-on acquisitions to a whole new level. In the early 2010s, they were already growing fast with their CRM platform, but wanted to dominate the enterprise cloud ecosystem. ExactTarget 2013 added email marketing capabilities. MuleSoft 2018 connected Salesforce to virtually any enterprise system. Slack 2021 transformed Salesforce into the collaboration hub for businesses. What's striking about Salesforce is that each bolt-on acquisition amplified the core platform, creating cross-selling opportunities and locking in customers. By 2022, Salesforce became a one-stop enterprise ecosystem, largely through bolt-on strategy. Google isn't just about search and AI, its growth has been turbocharged by bolt-on acquisitions too. YouTube, 2006, added video distribution and content dominance. Android, 2005, accelerated mobile dominance. DoubleClick, 2007, cemented Google's advertising empire. Notice a pattern? Google acquired companies that enhanced its existing capabilities, captured new markets, and created synergies that couldn't have been built internally fast enough. This is the blueprint for explosive, bolt-on-driven growth. So, how can you replicate this in your business? Here are the 4 key steps. Identify complementary businesses, not competitors, but companies that fill gaps in your product, service, or distribution. Evaluate integration fit, assess how easily you can merge operations, technology, and culture. Leverage existing infrastructure, maximize synergies to increase revenue without multiplying overhead. Prioritize strategic ROI over price. A slightly higher purchase price may pay off exponentially if the bolt-on accelerates growth. Organic growth is slow. It takes years to build customers, revenue, and talent internally. Bolt-on acquisitions shortcut the timeline. Immediate access to new customers. Ready-made talent and intellectual property. Synergies that amplify both revenue and efficiency. Companies like Oracle, Salesforce, and Google didn't rely on slow expansion. They built ecosystems faster than competitors could react, often creating near insurmountable market advantages. Bolt-on acquisitions aren't just for tech giants. Tomorrow, we'll explore how small businesses can use bolt-on strategies to scale from $1 million to $10 million in record time, including real-world examples of mom-and-pop companies that executed perfectly. If you thought Oracle, Salesforce, and Google were fast, you'll be amazed at what's possible when you bolt on the right company at the right time.